Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm going to highlight a new arrival to the dealership. It is a pre-owned 2022 Chrysler Pacifica with a rear entry mobility ramp in it. Stock number on it is CP17055T. It is ceramic gray in color. It's actually a very popular color here the last couple of years. It's kind of like a battleship gray. You got 17-inch alloy wheels, private glass or privacy glass around the rear, and come around the back you got your rear backup sensors, and it also has on your fob here you've got all your controls to open up your doors, rear hatch. So hit it twice, it'll open up. You got your rear ramp in here, pistol grips right here to release it, one on each side. And this mobility system was built by ATS Mobility down in Kentucky, which all the New York public transits or public taxis and systems use ATS Mobility vans. They have a nice simple safety feature right here, which is just a steel lip, which will prevent this lift or actually ramp to fold in if you was ever in an accident for getting rear end from behind. So that'll keep that ramp in place so it doesn't fold down on anybody. Most believe it or not, most mobility ramps don't have that feature. You can put up to two wheelchairs in here. You can lock one down here. There is a slight incline if somebody is in here in the back locked in, or you can slide up in between and lock a chair up here as well. You got your two jump seats, they are fixed in place, or you can unbolt it and take one out if you'd like. Up front you get your heated leather seats, nice center console, touchscreen Uconnect radio, navigation, Sirius satellite radio. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This vehicle is equipped with adaptive cruise control and regular cruise control. So adaptive is kind of a more set it and forget it. So if the vehicle in front of you is slowing up or speeding up or slowing down, you'll do the same thing with it and keep that distance between you and that vehicle, keep you safe. Over here you got your Bluetooth connectivity controls, so you can make your hands-free phone calls, power mirrors, windows and locks. You do have two seat settings, so two different drivers can store their seat settings in it. Have push button start. Up top you got your controls for your power sliding doors on both sides, your rear lift gates, overhead lighting. Also you have up here rear HVAC controls, so they can control it back here as well. And very, very simple to put back up. You can literally do it with two fingers, or really one finger. It's light, and it is piston assisted, so you have help there going up. A simple latch here and a simple latch here. Hit the button and you'll be ready to roll again. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17055T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.